Hi there. Today in this session I'm going to talk about classes and objects in object-oriented programming, which are the most common components in any object-oriented programming. Basically, a class is a blueprint, which includes all the data. Blueprint means a class is a user-defined data type. It is a collection of similar types of objects. I can say is a template that describes the state and behavior of a specific object. A class in Java, or any object-oriented programming, is a logical entity only. For example, you can take any entity in the real time. If you take a specific cat as an object, whatever attribute, states, and behaviors are associated to a particular entity called cat will be described inside this class. You can take any example if we can create a class known as plane, which will be its name. It consists of attributes and methods of each plane, just like a plane number, total seats, airline class, pilot name. If I talk about the methods inside this subject or class, then seat availability, select class, book ticket, and other functions would be there. This is how a class needs to be defined. Just write the access modifier class in the class name. Then if you would like to access the members of a particular class, you need an instance of a class which contains variables and methods. Each object has its identity and behavior that needs to be described. For example, the cat has a states such as color, size, gender, and age. But its behavior is like whether the cat is sleeping, meowing for food, or running around. An object in Java is the physical as well as logical entity which stays inside or outside the class, always represent a particular class. We already created the class named main in our previous demo. We can use this to create object. For example, as I said, you can take any entity. I take vehicle as a class, car, truck, and cycle are the object of that particular class that represent the vehicle. Car will have its own attributes and behaviors. Truck will have its own attributes and behavior, and cycle will have its own behavior. But if they have a common behavior, they can use a vehicle class. But if they have its own behaviors, vehicle class with the basic functionality can be inherited inside the specific car, truck, and cycle class and represented with the help of the object. Stay tuned to learn practical implementation of classes and objects in the next session. See you in the next session.